Hey guys, so today I'm going to meal plan for the week and I wanted to show you the process and how I do that. And I thought I would go ahead and share my grocery haul with you guys. I did a video before, just a quick video so that I could voice over without all this background noise going on. One of my air conditioning units is out, my washer and dryer are going, so it's busy today. Anyways, I'll see you soon. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start off with some provolone cheese for my husband, some cooked chicken, different dairy-free yogurts, eggs, a few different creamers. We've got some veggies here, that you can see, green beans, asparagus, broccoli. This is one of our favorite salads here. Got some celery there, some tomatoes, lemons, some chicken, ground turkey, spaghetti. We've got some gluten-free canned mushroom soup, different condiments and jellies and seasonings. Got some powdered sugar there for a upcoming recipe for cupcakes for my mom's birthday, and some vinegar for cleaning veggies and different things, coffee filters, some personal items, toothpaste, deodorant, body wash, different chips, different things like that. And then lastly over here we have some bananas and paper towels and trash bags. Okay guys, let's get this menu plan going for the week. I recorded this section earlier, but it didn't work out with the video or an audio issue. So I am kind of going over what I talked about already and filling you in. So I don't usually make breakfast. Sometimes I'll do it on the weekend, like for the family. Let me out just a little bit. I can see the whole thing here. I'm on my desk. It's a mess. I know it's not the best setup, but I'm trying to get this done. I have a lot going today, and this was the best I could do for today. So, not perfect, but I hope it's helpful in some way as far as the menu plan. Anyways, this week we are going to focus basically on the dinner section. I'm not going to worry about the breakfast or the lunch. My husband takes his lunch, he takes leftovers. We have quick things readily available. On occasion, I will have a little stock of maybe some frozen foods that he can take in a pinch. Not his favorite or ours, but we do that when we have to. Breakfast, we all eat kind of whenever we're ready and whatever we feel like that day because we all eat at different times. I don't eat breakfast a lot. I don't feel very good if I eat a big breakfast most days, so I just skip it altogether. And then I go ahead and have lunch and dinner and sometimes a snack in between. Just depends on how the day's going and how much we've got going on. Regardless, I think on Monday we're going to have some basil pesto pasta. I found a really good recipe and I got some fresh basil from my garden and it turned out so good. I didn't get any pictures, but I will try to put a recipe up for that real soon because it was delicious. Everybody loved it. I have some frozen grilled chicken that we've saved, and I'm going to put it in with some broccoli and some different seasonings. Then on Tuesday, I'm going to cook some chicken, the chicken that you saw from the video, the chicken strips, chicken breast strips, I believe they're called. Some green beans, also you saw that from the video, and some small roasted potatoes, the little tiny potatoes, and I just slice them in half and cook them in the oven 425 with some oil and seasonings, and they turn out really good. Then we're going to have ground turkey, like a Mexican bowl, and so I'll make up some salsa rice. I'll cook up this turkey ahead of time with maybe some different Mexican seasonings or taco seasonings. They're really good with that. We'll cook some mixed veggies. I'll make some pickled onions during the day prior to. I'll try to pre-cook what I can to make this dinner. Just kind of warm it and eat it and put whatever everybody wants on it, whatever your desire is for your toppings that day. So these generally work out really good. Thursday, I think I'll do a vegan Alfredo pasta with artichoke hearts and sun-dried tomatoes and that side kale poppy seed salad. That will be really good. Friday, I think, is going to be a super busy day. It's my mom's birthday, and we've got a lot going on because we are doing a surprise party for her for this day. She doesn't know about, so obviously a surprise. Anyways, we've got a lot going on these 2 days, so I think we'll end up with takeout this night, and for food for her party that day will be Mexican food, so that'll be delicious, and we won't have to cook. Well, that. Um, Also, this day I'm going to have to be putting in, I need to do bake cupcakes. Maybe get those done for sure. This will be a busy day, whatever, throughout the day. And then Sunday, I think we'll be home. We'll be just kind of recovering from all the busyness of the weekend. I'll put a whole chicken in the oven. We'll do some mashed potatoes and some asparagus. That's it. Up here for meal prep or reminders, I just need to remind myself to do pickled onions, get those done early in the day or the day before, something like that, so they can get the flavor going. Make the salsa rice, and I need to thaw the chicken for Sunday. Otherwise, I think I have everything else that I need for this week as far as my meal plan. We always end up running low on fruits and veggies, so I'll probably get some more food here towards the weekend to get us through. So, anyways, maybe this is helpful. It's super simple, it's quick this week. Lunches, same thing. Maybe we do leftovers. Sometimes I go ahead and I do some food prep, like some hard boiled eggs, some salsa chicken, salsa rice, cilantro lime rice, cook up some quinoa or pasta, anything that I can get in there that's pre-cooked, and we can put together a quick lunch with maybe a salad or some kind of a bowl or something simple. And to be honest, yes, we do have some frozen chicken nuggets and that kind of stuff. Not very many, and there's just a certain brand that we buy that's really pretty good. It's gluten free and has the least ingredients and all the things. So, anyways, that's it for today. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I hope that this menu planning and grocery haul is helpful in some way. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Bye.